Hey everyone, today's the day where it starts. We're going to be disassembling the F20B for a rebuild. I got all my gaskets and head gasket and all that stuff. I picked up this sick like spark plug cover, K-Killer, so it'll be hurting some feelings, you know it. So yeah, I'm actually in a new shop now. I'm not going to like make a big video about it right now until like it's all situated. But yeah, I'm here with Nathan. You'll see more of him. There's a boosted lube there. And he has his 4th gen outside, but for now, yeah. Okay, first things first, we're going to remove the valve cover. We're going to do that. We're going to take all the shimmer off. Then we're going to put it on top dead center so we can take the timing belt off so it's all in the right spot. On your valve cover, there's bolts all around it. You can see them. So just take all those off and your valve cover should pop off, no problem.
Okay, so right now we're going to be taking off the cam caps. You're going to want to start with the middle bolts and out, and so on and so forth. And you're just going to want to take these off a little bit at a time. I like to get these all loose and then just pop them out with the gun.
So what we're going to do is we're going to put everything in order on the table as you're looking at the engine so we don't like, we know what order everything goes in.
Just going to slide the belt off here now. These are all looking pretty good.
Look good?
Yeah.
Well, so far so good. Healthy engine. Buddy I bought it from just basically told me, hey, just like go over it, rebuild it, make sure it's good. Because I guess the engine was running 600 horsepower in a 5th gen prelude before, and then I guess Buddy moved out west or something, so he gave him the engine, and he didn't have no use for it, so then I found it and I bought it. So. Here come the cams. Are they OEM or stock cams? Or they almost look a little bigger. I don't know.
It might be skunk too.
It might be skunk too, boys.
Can't really tell.
I'm surprised they didn't do cam gears.
That's what I mean. They might be stock, but like I don't know.
They look a little bigger, honestly.
What that marking is.
P1. I don't know. Weird. I'm gonna get new ones anyways. Probably anyway. Skunk 2 Pro 2 or whatever. Whatever one's better for turbo. Blah 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 blah.
Well, they have an NA cam and
yeah, that's true. That's true.
so yeah, no, just gotta pop the head studs off.
Yeah, look at that. Crispy.
The head studs, I don't remember what size they are. They are ARPs, so.
ARP. Oh, like the nut size. So with ARP head studs, it's a 12. I don't know if you guys have them or if you're rebuilding your engine or what, but the ARP head studs are 14 mil 12 point sockets. to get the head studs out. That's the next thing we'll be doing. Okay, all the head studs are unbolted. Now we're about to rip the head off here. We'll see if there's any damage.
Let's hope for the best.
Let's hope for the best, man. So what we discovered was on these Arius pistons, it looks like a valve bent like a different groove into the piston here, because like if you feel it, it like comes above the piston, like it's not smooth, so it doesn't look like it's supposed to be there. It's more supposed to look like that, or that's back like this, but it looks like the valve put like a second groove in there, if you can see it. So we're going to do some more restarts, but it's the exact same in all four. So maybe these are, number one, not the right pistons, because I know F20B are really hard to get. Or two, just the valve, or just something didn't go together right. So that sucks. We'll get back to you and see what we figure out here.